you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Fortnite, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate those drops. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Fortnite. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the video options, and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. This can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel, select Power Options, and choose the High Performance plan. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor temperature and clean hardware. Check your computer's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Clean dust from fans and vents, and consider using software to monitor temperatures. Overheating can lead to throttling, causing FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.